Hey guys, it's me, Brickdude.
And me, Trixie.
And me, Scarlet. And today, we got mail! Yeah, we got a package from ShirtPunch. And today, we got the Nerdblock. So before we get to the Nerdblock, let's see what's inside the package.
Wonder what you got, Scarlet.
Maybe a Pokemon shirt.
No. The League of Extraordinary Novelists.
I thought you would have gotten a Doctor Who one.
And the crucial and important rule when you go write anything on your computer or do anything, you save often. So don't forget to save. So let's see what's in the next box. Nerdblock! What's inside? Let's go see. Let's see. We have Doctor Strange. Not bad t-shirt.
And next up is
Future Brahma socks. The DeLorean. I think it's the DeLorean license plate as a pen.
and a bun hat.
A nifty hat. Oh, it's a Stargate hat, I think. See? Has Stargate on it.
And
Let's see. And we got a bag clip with a logo on it.
cool.
And one last thing, we got the Total Recall Rick and Morty card game for 2 to 5 players ages 15 and up. And then of course we have a Nerdblock credit with the amazing puzzle piece. Let's see what we have so far. Let's see.
One more piece.
We have one more piece to get to before we actually complete a puzzle. And then of course we got our magazine. Let's see what's to be seen. Let's see. 6 ordinary items turned time machines. The best creatures from Supernatural. What's inside February's classic box and March's theme. What is March's theme? March theme.
Team up.
Let's see. March's theme is Team Up. That's going to be exciting. That could be anything from the Avengers to any superhero league, really. I can't wait to see.
Me too.
Anyway, that's it for this month. So I hope you like and subscribe. Bye!